For the tag-based tracking and split tagging feature, it's a pretty simple thing to set up. All you have to do is just choose which tags you want eye tracker to apply. So in this example, I have all the tags selected, but if you only want lead source tagging or if you only want certain fields or whatever, you can just choose whichever checkboxes you want and then click Save. So let me show you an example of what happens here. I'm going to take this custom URL that I have. So the source is Facebook, the medium is sidebar ad, and and so forth. So I'm just going to copy this URL. I'm going to go to that page, and I'm going to do test107@test.com, and I'm going to submit this lead. I'm going to verify that, and I'm going to go ahead and close that tab. And so at this point, eye tracker should have captured that tracking data, and we should have it queued up to be processed. So we're scrubbing and processing this tracking data, and here in a little bit we'll link it to a contact record and then we'll push it into your account. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to wait for this to finish doing its thing. It's going to take about a minute for all this to happen, and then we'll trigger this HTTP postback. We trigger that automatically. You can manually trigger this stuff if you want, but we're going to automatically do that, and then we're going to apply all the tracking tags. So I'm just going to pause it and let's wait just about a minute or so. Alright, so about a minute's gone by. I'm going to refresh this eye tracker page, and it looks like we've updated this contact record. So let's go check out this test107@test.com. And so there's the record. So the lead source is set. If you look at the eye tracker custom fields, here's all the custom fields. And if you go to the tags, what we've done is we applied a lead source tag, which is the source, medium, and campaign, and that's in the eye tracker 360 category. And then we also did the split tags. So we took each custom field value and put them in a category, and then basically assign the tag. So later, if let's say this lead comes through again, let's say several months later, these tags will always exist, and then he'll have new tags applied if he comes in through, let's say, Google AdWords or some different campaign or different URL. So this is kind of a history of all the different tracking data that you captured for this person. Whereas the custom fields will always serve as like the latest point of entry, since these will always get overwritten, and the tags will serve as like basically every point of entry where we've captured every piece of data that we could. So some people like having these tags. If they want to look at a record and kind of look at his eye tracker history, they have it. Some people don't like having all these tags. So if you don't like the tags, you can just turn off the tagging, and you can remove the tags if you want. If you have them enabled, we'll automatically create these categories and create the tags. So that is tag-based tracking and split tagging. Thanks.